Hello and welcome to Hmong Clothes, Accessories, and more. We're headed out to lunch at one of the most famous noodle restaurants. On the way over, my daughter wants to stop at the ABC store, so here we are, checking out some of the gadgets. They are beautiful. Here in Waikiki, every day it's a beautiful day, just like this. We're here in late September into early October. Here we are at the Marugame Udon Noodle Restaurant. I'm sure I butchered the name of this restaurant. My apology if I did. So this restaurant is set up more of a cafeteria style as we would put it in the US. So you pick up your tray, you pick up your dishes, and you place your order, and then they will hand you your order, and then you will grab your drinks and find a seating. Hello. So how do I order? This is our first time. My husband is a big fan of the udon noodle dish, so we'll see how he likes his dish. He has been waiting for this moment forever. I'm gonna do the curry negatama.
You want to what is it?
I'm gonna do the curry negatama.
Large,
Regular?
I've been waiting years for this.
You look so pretty, Ashley. Can I try a little bit of your soup?
Not yet.
The noodles are so good. I knew this was going to be going to.
I don't even really know what mine is. I just know it's spicy.
It's curry. It looks like.
My noodle dish is nice and creamy, and I love the texture of the noodle. It's a little bit on the chewy side, which is what I love, and it is so flavorful. It absorbs so much of the flavor from the soup, or in this case it looks like stew. And they have a whole bunch of little sides, so you can pick those. So I picked two. So I really enjoy my dish. I would say we all really enjoy what we got.
So good.
Okay, so right after we have lunch, we are headed over to Steak Asian that showcase all Asian dishes. So let's go in and check it out. So we're actually here around 3 p.m. So it's a little bit after lunch and before dinner. So there's not a whole lot of people here. And a couple of the restaurants are still closed. So I'm not sure if they're closed in between lunches and dinner or if they're only open for dinner. So let's come along with us and let's take a look and see what this place has to offer. That is good.
I
like it. I think.
Yeah, it does taste artificial. You're right.
Oh, this is similar to. Hello. Oh, coming. It's a fall guy.
That looks good. Oh wait, was that what just we were?
Yeah, we were just there. Spice on miso. Usually I don't care for miso. Miso food is so good. That's spicy. Chassis.
Barbecue pork egg noodle. Oh, looks good. But I feel like you would like, there's a kimchi. Spicy kimchi noodle.
Their bowl of rice looked good, but I think it's similar to what I had the other day, which wasn't too good. Wasn't bad, but it's
我们那个服务员，我们也是随便吃，他们的员工他也是随便找，也能接。